right here. And this is the culprit. What did you do? Notice how she is dressed, ready to make trouble. Am I correct? Let's see the shoes. Got your sister's shoes on. You got your dance outfit on and your brand new Minion hat. And what are those gloves?
Reindeers.
They're what?
Reindeers.
Reindeer gloves? Okay, I guess we could see about getting this alarm turned off. So, I guess Noelle thinks it's going to rain. Is it going to rain, Noelle?
Yes.
Is that why you got your umbrella out?
Wait, I have to get it.
What is it, hon? What did you say? You want me to get under the umbrella with you? Hey, where are you going?
You look like a soccer. I said.
A soccer dad.
I said. A soccer dad. I feel good.
This is my new hat. My new Minion hat. Hey! Don't you do that.
Record me. Hi.
Hello.